Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can add colored lighting to your images in Adobe Photoshop. Talking about colored lighting, I'm talking about when you use gel, when you add gel to your lighting when you're shooting. Photographers know what I'm talking about, and there are also LED lights. This is Twisted Creative. Valerie Breman is my name. If it's your first time on this channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's jump into it. This is the image we are going to be using, and it's shot on a black background. We are going to be adding colors to it. So the first thing we do here is just for us to go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. So in this dialog box, you have to choose, you can drag this slider to wherever you want. Like just leave it at the top, and we can just choose this area, top right of the red, then hit OK. Then go to the blend mode and choose color. So you can see how the image is looking. Then you choose your layer mask and use Ctrl I to invert layer mask. Then you start painting. But this first adjustment layer, I'm going to be using it for just the hair. So you can start painting. I want it to be fast. Just painting the areas you wish. I can just say let's increase it a bit. You can always reduce it with the opacity. Let's just paint a little here. Show that the light is hitting from the left. But according to the image from the model, right. So we are seeing it as left here. So the light is hitting the hair from the left, from our view, our angle. So we have it like this. We can also go to the opacity and reduce it. Then let's say go to the bring out layer style box and double click here to pop out the yellow style layer style box and drag this area down to separate the shadow, to remove the colors from the shadow. Then use your alt key, hold your alt key down to split this apart and drag it and to make the transition a bit better. So we'll have it like this. Just hit OK. Then we'll just get that for the hair. Then let's go for the another adjustment layer, solid color again, and choose the same area of red and hit OK. Then go to blend mode and go to choose color. Then we'll take our layer mask and use Ctrl I to invert our layer mask and start painting. So we have to increase the size of our brush and reduce the opacity and flow of the brush, like 20 for opacity, then 20 for flow. Then we paint like this area. We believe the light is falling on this area. So we can just add all this area for now. And just believe the light is falling on this area, also falling from the left side. So let's go. So you have to take all this area and leave a little depth inside there, in there, and bring it here a little, then here, then here. Have to be fast, not too precise. Then the lips that pop out, have to take this area like this. Then here. Then in here a little. Then the nose, the left side of the nose, left side of the nose. So I have to take it this way because we still have front light that's coming direct. So we have the one from the side, left side. So we just have to take from here, this part of the nose. When the nose came up, so have to pull a place out also. So have it like this. Then some part of this area has to be captured, leaving the highlights from the front lights. Then this area also must be captured. So we have this area like this. I think a little here, it's not really necessary, but just have to. So we go to the neck area, then go to the neck area. I know it. The hair is not looking that fine. We can go back to that later. Layer style boss and increase it. Let's go and the neck area. Move it from left to right, from left to right, from left to right, so that the transition will be fine. So have it like this. And bring this area if you paint extra, I can always clean it, remove it with when you toggle with X, use S to toggle between foreground and background. Then as this place is pulled out, pushed forward, this area is pushed forward, the chest or the breast moved forward. So have to capture it like this. The light has to fall on it to this extent. So we'll still have to go to this other area for the same thing. It has to move from like this, curve it like this, depending on your image anyway. But it's a kind of artistic job. So here we go. I think we have here also, we can see capture this area a little. Then just some touch around this area. I think this highlight is supposed to be involved. So we'll have this for the first layer. Then we'll go to the other one, create another adjustment layer, choose solid color, and this time around we are going to change color to, I think this green is okay. Just hit okay here, then go to blend mode and choose color. Then have it like this. Go to your layer mask and use Ctrl I to invert the layer mask and start painting. So you have to touch this edge, kind of, then move it gradually. You don't have to be that precise this time. So have to go in here a little, then under here, and have to take care of this little area also. I don't want it to go outside, so have it this way. Just use again and just take it this way. Just have to grab the edges, capture the edges. Make sure you are using soft round brush. So I have to curve it here and involve this area. So I have to take it this way a little. Then move it inside a little to blend it up. Make a good transition there. Not too much. Okay, I think then from this area like this, the eyes, nose area. So it has to go like this also. So this is what we got here. Then part of this area, I think, is to be involved in this area and here. So I think I'm going, so have it this way. Then the neck area I have to do the same, move from right to left, from right to left, then capture these edges also. So have it like this. Then this top, so have this area to be captured. Then we have to involve some of these parts. Then this area also of the dress and chests coming from the left, from the right. So have to involve this area also. So I think we are almost good to go for like this. The image is kind of okay like this. I know you'll be thinking that it's a kind of too harsh. So let's go and do the reduction. First of all, let's go into the blend if and layer style box and try to pull it back. No, it's not this. Sorry. So we are going for the hair, the very first one. You can rename if you like because time is not on our side. That's why I'm in a haste. So have to go to the layer style box and do this thing like this and pull it all the way down, down. I think the hair is okay like this. Okay, let's go for the next one, which is the red for the skin. Then we can use opacity to reduce here. You can see the red is becoming softer, and if you take a look at it now, is very calm and sweet and okay. Then the third one, we can just go to the opacity and bring it down 70, 60, 50, thereabout. Let's say 45 is okay. 45 is okay. Then taking a look at this, it's amazing. Then if you want to change color, let's say can double click this color box and solid color adjustment layer and go to, you can just change into something else, like drag it around and notice the color changes with shifts. So if you decide to say let's leave it at blue, it still be okay. You can look at it, so amazing. Then let's say this between this green, let's say aqua color, is still okay. Let's say okay, let's just leave it here and see. Let's hit okay. Then this is amazing. So let's check the general before and after and see how it looks. You have to hold your up down, and this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. Isn't it amazing? So let's see again, before and after, before and after. So it's amazing. It has put a kind of beauty light on this image. That is it for today. It's very easy way to add lighting colors to your photos in Adobe Photoshop. If you find it interesting, helpful, and useful, let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to give us a like. And I want you to do me a favor. If you are new here, just hit that subscribe button, please. Hit that subscribe button. And not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video, Creative Pro. Keep on creating. Please stay creative. Keep creating. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.